Must try. 7 easy and delicious milk desserts. Milk desserts are creamy, satisfying treats that are surprisingly easy to make. These 7 easy milk dessert recipes will delight your taste buds and impress your loved ones. From creamy puddings to fun jelly cups, there's something for everyone. Gather your ingredients. Let's explore 7 irresistible milk dessert recipes that will satisfy your sweet tooth. Recipe 1, cat's paw pudding. Ingredients: 500 ml milk, 10 grams gelatin, red candy, melted. Instructions: 1. Stir hot milk with gelatin until dissolved. 2. Add melted red candy to the mixture and pour into cat-shaped molds. 3. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, then demold and serve. Recipe 2, milk caps. Ingredients: 300 ml milk, 50 gram cornstarch, 2 tablespoons sugar, yogurt, cooked soybean flour for topping. Instructions: 1. Combine milk, cornstarch, and sugar in a pot. Mix well. 2. Heat on low, stirring until thickened. 3. Knead into smooth balls, string them together. 4. Drizzle with yogurt and sprinkle with soybean flour. Serve and enjoy. Recipe 3, deep fried milk. Ingredients: 500 ml milk, 40 grain cornstarch, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs, oil for frying. Instructions: mix milk, cornstarch, and sugar, then cook on low until thick. 2. Pour into a mold, cool and cut into cubes. 3. Dip cubes in egg and breadcrumbs. Fry until golden. Serve warm. Recipe 4, milk and egg cake. Ingredients: 2 egg yolks, 500 ml milk, 30 gram sugar, 50 gram cornstarch, shredded coconut for garnish. Instructions: 1. Beat egg yolks, then mix with milk, sugar, and cornstarch. 2. Cook until thick, then pour into a bowl to cool. Once set, demold and sprinkle with coconut. Enjoy! Recipe 5, fresh milk mochi. Ingredients: 150 gram glutinous rice flour, 30 gram sugar, 30 gram cornstarch, 20 gram oil, 300 ml milk. Instructions: 1. Mix flour, sugar, cornstarch, oil, and milk until smooth. 2. Cook until thick, then knead and shape into pieces. 3. Dust with soybean flour before serving. Recipe 6, frozen rose pudding. Ingredients: 500 ml milk, 50 grain white jelly, 300 ml water, 1 TBSP rose petals. Instructions: 1. Heat milk and white jelly, pour into cups and cool until set. 2. Boil water with rose petals and jelly, stirring until dissolved. 3. Pour over the set pudding and chill before serving. Recipe 7, double-layered jelly cups. Ingredients: 2 cartons of pure milk, 20 green sugar, divided, 1 pack of white jelly, divided, fresh fruit for garnish. Instructions: 1. Mix milk, sugar, and half the jelly, heat and pour into cups. Cool. 2. Mix remaining milk with jelly, heat, then pour over the first layer. 3. Add fresh fruit and chill before serving. Happy cooking! Enjoy making these delightful treats at home.